The dirty truth of flipping real estate is that it is a job, and it is a job that carries a ton of exposure. Anytime the market is volatile, the first people to get clipped by adjusting prices and adjusting market are the people that actively have flips available for sale. So if you are flipping real estate, I want you to understand two things. First off, this is a job. This is a time for money thing. Yes, it's higher priced and you're going to make a lot of money flipping property if you do it well. But at the end of the day, if you are not taking those proceeds and putting it into something more passive, then you are going to be spinning your wheels and you are no different than a W 2 employee that has these golden handcuffs that you are now committed to continually flipping properties to sustain the lifestyle that you've built for yourself. Second, if you are flipping in a volatile market, if you are flipping in uncertain times, you're going to want to have multiple exit strategies. In fact, I would say that if you are uncertain about where the market is headed, you should not purchase a property to flip that also doesn't make sense as a rental, an Airbnb, or some other type of buy and hold asset.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.